Latest update on Cyclone Gita, which continues to intensify on its approach to the Tongan Islands. It currently has winds of 125 miles per hour and a pressure of 949 millibars. That makes it a Category 5 on the Australian scale, according to Force 13's estimates. As of 12 p.m. Fiji time, February 12th, it was at 21.6 degrees south, 172.2 degrees west, and is moving now towards the west and is poised to strike Tonga in the next 24 hours as a substantial cyclone, which is intensifying and is likely to be of Category 3 or 4 strength on the Saffir-Simpson scale, possibly Category 5 strength on the Australian scale by the time it arrives in the capital, Nuku'alofa, which may well see the eye wall of this storm. There's where it is right now, and you can see the wind field is tantalizingly close to the islands, and it's not going to get any better from here on in. It's a stage 5 on the CDPS scale, meaning that devastation is quite possible. Cyclone warnings in effect for central and southern Tonga and for Onoilau, Fiji, with a cyclone watch for other parts of the southern islands of Fiji. So as we look through the next few days, and it's going to be at the end of Monday into Tuesday, in the next 12 to 24 hours, you're seeing the chance of storm conditions there, almost certainty in the southernmost islands of Tonga, and the chance of hurricane conditions there as well, which is more than 3/4 now for the capital. And the storm is then expected to move off towards the west or west-northwest, and then affect some of the southern Fijian islands. We don't know how badly yet. Depends, of course, how strong the storm will be and, of course, its actual track. But then it will go off towards the southwest and could possibly approach New Zealand by next weekend. Sea surface temperatures are very warm indeed, 28, 29 possibly in the area. Certainly warm enough to sustain a cyclone like this. Looking at wind shear, small amounts of high wind shear just to the west and northwest of the storm does appear to be increasing, but there's no signs of the storm is being impacted by this yet, and low wind shear amounts to the northwest of that area and a little bit to the southwest as well. So this is what the storm actually looks like right now as it's continuing on towards the west. You can clearly see that westward motion with its eye. This is a longer range imagery here, showing a little bit more of the progression of how the storm's been doing. It's a westward motion, looks like it might pass just south of the capital of Tonga, but this is the latest imagery over the last 2 or 3 hours or so on the Himawari satellite. The water vapor imagery here, dry air to the west, in fact all sides almost, and finally the infrared imagery showing that that eye is starting to come out, and it may well get worse from here. We'll keep you posted. You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.com, which becomes operational February 15th. You can also find us on YouTube, subscribe if you haven't already, search Force 13. Same too on Facebook, send us a like on there, or you can follow us on Twitter, search Force 13, all in text. You can also add our Skype account under the same name, and you can add my personal account on Discord, Fool13 at extension 9094 for tropical weather chat.